Think back to a time when you ran as fast as you possibly could. When you finally slowed down, you probably noticed two things right away. You were breathing heavily and feeling a rapid thumping in your chest. That thumping is proof that your heart, brain, and lungs are hard at work. These organs never take a break, performing their own special tasks even while you sleep. But these organs don't work in isolation. Inside your body, they are grouped into larger teams called systems. Today, we are going to look closely at three of these specific teams: the circulatory system, the respiratory system, and the nervous system. When you feel your pulse racing and your breath catching after a hard run, you are experiencing these three systems communicating. They operate as one perfectly coordinated team to keep you alive and moving. We will start with the circulatory system. You can think of this as your body's internal delivery network. Its entire job is to transport vital supplies like nutrients and oxygen to every single organ that needs them. This diagram shows the heart's 4 sections: 2 top atria and 2 bottom ventricles. Lower down are blood vessels. Arteries carry fresh blood away, veins bring used blood back, and capillaries connect them to supply your cells. The blood traveling on those roads does a lot of heavy lifting. It carries oxygen from your lungs, moves nutrients from the food you eat to your body, fights off invading germs, and even stops the bleeding by forming a clot when you get a cut. Without this constant branching delivery service pumping throughout your body, your other organs would quickly starve for the energy they need to function. Of course, for that delivery system to be useful, it needs something to deliver. It relies on a steady supply of oxygen, which is where your respiratory system comes in. Every time you inhale, that breath of fresh air travels down your main windpipe, the trachea, and flows straight into your lungs. This animation shows the crucial exchange that happens deep inside those lungs. The air flows into millions of microscopic air sacs. These tiny balloons are your alveoli, and this is where the oxygen passes into the blood, while carbon dioxide waste is pulled out. To make this happen, a large muscle sitting just beneath your lungs, called the diaphragm, constantly expands and contracts, pulling fresh air in and pushing old air out. This chart compares how different animals accomplish that same goal. While humans and other mammals use lungs, fish use gills to extract oxygen directly from water. Birds even have extra air sacs to ensure a steady, constant flow of oxygen while flying. Regardless of whether an animal relies on gills or lungs, a respiratory system is the non-negotiable gateway for extracting the raw fuel required for life. So you have a delivery network and a way to gather oxygen, but who tells them what to do? That falls to the nervous system. Led by the brain, this is the ultimate control center for your entire body. Your brain uses your spinal cord and a massive network of tiny nerves to send and receive high-speed electrical messages. These messages travel incredibly fast. If you accidentally touch something sharp, your nervous system fires a signal that tells your muscles to instantly pull your hand away to protect you. But the nervous system is also doing a lot of hidden work. It constantly monitors and controls your internal organs without you ever having to actively think about it. Without your brain acting as the boss, your heart wouldn't know how fast to pump, and your lungs wouldn't know when to take the next breath. Bringing it all together, let's return to the finish line of that race, now applying our new knowledge of how these three systems interact. As you start running, your nervous system detects that your body is working hard and needs more energy, so it sends out an immediate signal for help. This illustration shows how the rest of the body answers that call. The respiratory system responds by making you breathe faster to pull in more oxygen, and the circulatory system responds by pumping the heart faster to deliver that oxygen to your muscles. Although we study them as separate parts, the circulatory, respiratory, and nervous systems are built to support one another as a unified whole. Drinking plenty of water, eating nutritious food, and getting regular exercise provide the daily maintenance this biological team needs to keep the whole machine running smoothly.